Okay, this is test flight number 2. Here's my mostly 3D printed drone now, since my propellers are right there, the 3D printed propellers. Yeah, so the Amazon guy had some pretty perfect timing. You don't need to zoom because it'll just mess it up. And so now it's not tethered anymore because I have a battery pack down here, another battery pack. This is the LiPo battery, and this is a 5-volt battery pack to be able to power the Arduino. So let's plug in the ESCs. Okay. Let's turn it that way so it forward is away from us. All right, I'll get my controller. No, whatever. It's just saying it's got low battery, but it doesn't. It's being silly. So it's turning a little bit. Let's see. You know, let's just get it off the ground real quick. We'll make another video for after I get it tuned. Yeah, and it sliced my toe up. Cool. All right, I'm starting to bleed. Success, I guess.